today's quick rock painting tutorial, I'm going to show you a really cute way that you can paint a ladybug. So we're going to start by drawing on two really large white eyes onto our design. I'm using paint pens here. You can do this with a paintbrush as easily as with the paint pen. Next, we're going to add on our body. We're going to give him a nice big body here. It's going to set a little bit behind the right eye. Go ahead and line on that side and then fill in all of your red space. Now I'm using a very small paint pen for this. Grab a bigger paint pen if you have one handy. I'm just going to jump forward so you don't have to watch me color it all the way in. Next, we're going to start lining. Now for this, you might want to paint pen. As you can see, I didn't wait quite long enough. Give yourself dry time in between layers. It makes your life much easier, but I did get a little bit of bleeding happening on the right-hand side that I'll have to fix later. A couple of antennas, outline your eyes, and then we're going to put the rest of our head on here, or our face on here. So we're just going to do kind of a half oval under the eyes and then fill that in black. Again, I didn't wait for my red to dry all the way, so I'll have to come and touch up the right side of that eye here in just a little bit. Now I did have my daughter look up 6 legs is a ladybug, so let's give him 6 legs and then these giant pupils, which just up the cute factor of this painted rock so much. I love these giant pupils on this ladybug. It just gives it such a cute look. Once your pupils are all the way on there, you can line the rest of the body. You're gonna fix the side of the eye here as well. And then last but not least, what does your ladybug need? Spots. So we're gonna add on spots, add as many as you want, and he is done. You can do him big, small, a bunch on a little rock, however you want to do them. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick and easy rock painting idea. Paint a bunch and hide them around town. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be back soon with something else for you guys to try.